Google Forms can help you get feedback from students and teachers alike. It creates great multiple choice or free response assessments as well. However, people are more likely to answer the questions you ask if the form's a little engaging, decorated, and/or themed. To start decorating, click on the Paint Palette icon. This is the Themed Options menu. From here, you can add a header image to your form. There's a library of themed photos available for you to add. Choose from the themed genre from the list and find your favorite photo. You can also upload an image by hitting Browse and finding the file or dragging the file into the box from your computer. You can even pull from Google Photos account. Click Insert once you found the perfect photo to meet the theme of your questionnaire. From this menu, you can change the form's colors. If you add a header photo, Google will automatically create a palette of themed colors to choose from. This color will be added throughout all section and question tabs. There's a second palette of colors to choose from as your background color. This will go behind the questions in your form. From the Theme Options menu, you can even change the font of the text in your form. You can only change the font of all text, not specific text or titles, sadly. Once you've completed your theming, click on the X in the upper right-hand corner. This will close out the menu and your settings will save automatically. If you'd like to see your form with the themed colors, font, and photos as your responders would, click on the eye icon. This icon shows you a preview of the Google form. You can scroll through the form and make sure it functions and looks as you hoped it would. Once you're done, click on the pencil icon to return to the editable version of your Google form again. Beyond color and images, you can also add videos to your Google form. Instead of adding a question, click on the Add Video icon and the Select Video menu will pop up. From here, you can search YouTube by typing in keywords related to the video you're searching for. You can also paste a specific URL from YouTube. Click on the video that you want and hit select when you found the perfect video for your Google form. Once the video embeds and loads, you can make some edits. Add a title or information to give the responder some context for why they're watching the video. If you click on the video, you can resize it to fit your Google form. If you click on the vertical ellipses in the upper left-hand corner of the video, a menu will pop up. It'll allow you to align the video in the space, change the video, or remove it and start over. You can always add images as question options by clicking the image icon next to each option. You can also add an image in place of a question. Just like adding a video, click on the Add Image button in the side menu. When you insert an image, the Insert Image menu pops up, which gives you many options for adding a photo. You can browse for an image on your computer, drag a file from a folder on your computer, take a photo with your device's camera, copy and paste a URL to a photo, link photos from your Google Photos and Google Drive accounts, or even just search keywords related to the image through Google Image Search. Once you've uploaded or found the photo that you'd like to use in your Google form, click on the image, and then click on the Insert button. Once the photo is loaded, you can add a title or information to give the responder context for the image. If you click on the image, you can crop and resize it to fit your form. If you click the vertical ellipses in the upper left-hand corner of the image, you can align it in the space, change the image, or remove it and start over.